Hello children, good morning. Children, we are going to write question answers of unit 3 today. So every one of you all open textbook as well as English classwork. Once in classwork, twice in the homework. So copy down the questions from the textbook, children. First question is, how was the day? How was the day? So how was the day with the whitewasher? The glorious whitewasher. It was a bright and cheerful summer morning. Okay? How was the day? The day was bright and cheerful summer morning. It was bright, cheerful summer morning. Okay? Now question number 2. Why was Tom the only unhappy person that day? Why he was the only unhappy person? Because actually, see, from the story we can say that the Tom, who was a very playful boy and who always wanted to switch the duties, and he wanted to hand over the work which was actually allotted to him. Right, children? So here Tom was unhappy because he had work to do. He was having lot of work to do. That's the reason he was unhappy. Tom was unhappy because he had work to do. Work to do. Okay, children? Tom was unhappy because he had work to do. Full stop. Copy question number 3. And who asked Tom to whitewash the fence? Who told to Tom? Aunt Polly. Right? Aunt Polly was the person who asked Tom to whitewash the fence. Aunt, A-U-N-T, Aunt Polly, P-O-L-L-Y. Aunt Polly asked Tom, T should be capital because these words are naming words, right? Tom to whitewash the fence. Okay, children? Who asked Tom? Sorry, Aunt Polly asked Tom to whitewash the fence. Now copy the 4th question. Question number 4. How did Tom try to pursue Jim to exchange the chores? The work. Chores means what? The work. How he tried to exchange the work from Jim? Tom tried to exchange work with Jim by offering to fetch water. Tom promised to show his sore toe to Jim to exchange his chore. Tom tried to exchange work. Tom tried to exchange work with Jim, capital J, by offering to fetch water. Full stop. Tom also promised, right, to show his promised to show his sore toe. His S-O-R sore toe to Jim to exchange his chores. Okay, chores is a related word to work. Tom tried to exchange work with Jim by offering to fetch water. Tom promised to show his sore toe to Jim to exchange his chores. Next question, question number 5. What were the treasure that Tom had hidden in his pocket? So he was having many things, trash things, which people would have thrown on the road, and this guy used to pick up and put it in his pocket. He was a different guy who used to like to play with the things which are not useful. The treasures were toys, marbles and stuff that others might consider trash. Question. Answer of 5. Fifth answer. The treasure. Treasure means what, children? The valuable thing which we think it is a valuable. So the treasure, these things were valuable to Tom. The treasures were toys, marbles, and stuff that others might consider trash. T-R-A-S-H. Trash. Trash is the things which we throw it off after sweeping or after cleaning our house. The things which we throw out, and this boy used to put it in his pocket, or he used to put it in some closets by preserving it and feeling that he have a lot of useful things. The treasures were toys, marbles and stuff and other stuff that others might consider trash. Now question number 5, page number 34. How did Tom persuade Ben Rogers to take up his job? So how he convinced Ben Rogers to take his job? Tom made the work seem as if it was very enjoyable. Tom made the work seem as if it was very enjoyable. Okay, he was pretending like that he was enjoying his work, and by that he was attracting the Ben Rogers to take up his work, Tom's work, and he do that work, and return that fellow, that the boy, the Ben Rogers, have to give something in return. So what did the Ben Rogers give to Tom? The apple which he was eating, right children? So Tom made the work seem as if it was very enjoyable. Now question number 7. Who were the other children that Tom managed to exchange his work with? So who were the other children that Tom have exchanged the work? So Tom managed to exchange his work with Billy Fisher and Johnny Miller. Tom managed to exchange his work with Billy Fisher, and Johnny Miller. J-O-H-N-M-L, Johnny Miller. So what he get in return, children? He got a one-eyed kitten. Okay? In return, by giving the work, he have taken from them one-eyed kitten and one dead rat, which was having a string tied to its tail. So these things he have taken in return by giving his work to other guys. So now write down the question number 8. What lesson did Tom learn at the end of the day? So what lesson he learned at the end of the day? That work can be done when we make it to look as it is very enjoyable and very interesting. Tom learned that work is what we are made to do, but play is something we want to do. Tom learned that work is what we are made to do, but play is something we want to do. Okay? Work is what we are made to do, because we are made to do the work. But what is play? Which we wanted to do. So this thing he have learned. The difference in the play and work he learned. That how he can convince the other person to do our work. Tom learned that work is what we are made to do, but play is something we want to do. So we have completed successfully our all the part of this lesson, children, part of this unit. The grammar thing, you will be getting some links. And here, children, I wanted to tell you all, in English, Hindi or Telugu, whether all the languages, the poem part, whichever part you are getting in the poems, you have to learn only the poem. That means oral part of the poem. Like remaining things like spell words, meanings, opposites, rhyming words, these are, anything are not there for the exam. Okay, only in the quarterly exam you do not have anything. Okay, only the question answers related to the lessons. Okay, like lesson 1. What is the lesson 1? Precious drop in the ocean. Gulliver's Travel, The Glorious Whitewasher, a woman with a heart of gold. These 3 units, you have the question answers, meaning, opposites, everything, and grammar part also. But the Donnybrook poem, you have only the poem. Remaining exercise, nothing you have. Okay, poem only you have to go through how to say it without seeing in the book. That means oral test will be conducted. Okay, children? So take care of yourself. This one question answers, write once in class work and twice in the homework. Take care. Bye-bye.